Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Copy.ai to generate landing copy responsibly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Copy.ai, visit the Copy.ai website and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Templates section. In the Templates section, find the template specifically designed for landing page copy. Select the landing page copy template to open it. Next, you'll see a field asking for your product or service information. Input a clear and concise description of what you want to promote. Be specific about your target audience in the designated field. This information will help the AI tailor the content to your ideal customer. Next, check the tone options available for your landing copy. Choose a tone that aligns with your brand identity, such as professional, friendly, or persuasive. After selecting the tone, click the Generate button to create your initial copy. Take a moment to review the generated content for clarity and relevance. If needed, make adjustments to the input fields and generate new variations. Once you have a version you like, it's time to refine the copy further. Edit the generated text to ensure it matches your brand voice and messaging. Add any personal touches, testimonials, or statistics to enhance the credibility. It's important to proofread the final output for grammar and spelling errors. After finalizing the content, copy it to your clipboard. Now, go to your landing page builder or website platform. Paste the finalized copy into the appropriate areas of your landing page. Make sure to format the text for readability and visual appeal. Lastly, preview your landing page to see how the copy looks in context. Once satisfied, publish your landing page and monitor its performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.